Alright, so this is how to create the helix for the clothespin. So first thing I did was I started with an AutoCAD 3D file. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have an object layer here. And I'm going to turn that object layer to black. And then I'm going to also create that construction layer. And I'm going to turn that lovely construction layer to green. Alright, so now that I have that, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I am in an object layer, and I'm going to create a helix. So I'm going to use the helix command. Alright, and with that helix command, it's going to ask me to specify the center point of the base. So where do I want this helix to start? If you are making this right in your clothespin file, you can just start it somewhere to the right of that clothespin, or you can do what I'm doing and just create a whole new file, and then we will insert it. So I'm going to just pick a spot at 2, 2. Alright, and it's asking me to specify that base radius. So the first thing that I'm going to do is hit D for diameter, because I want the diameter. I'm going to hit 330 seconds, and then I'm going to type in enter. Now it's asking me to specify the top radius, so I'm going to choose D for diameter again. I'm going to enter in those exact same measurements, 330 seconds, and hit enter. Now it's asking me to specify the helix height. I'm going to go ahead and hit W, because I'm going to go with how many twists I want. So if I hit that downward button, right, I can do W for twist. Okay. I want to make sure that I'm sending it in a clockwise direction. CCW would be counterclockwise. Right, and then I'm going to specify the number of turns. So I'm going to kind of move this a little bit just so you can see that it is sending it in that Z direction. Give me a second to get myself orientated. Right, so it's asking me how tall do you want this, or how many turns. So I'm going to hit T. For turns. Okay, and number of turns, I'm going to do 6.6. Enter. Specify the height, I'm going to do 7/16. Enter. So now I should have a helix made something like that.